Let's dig a little deeper and break down Peter Senjay's work on becoming a learning organization. The fifth discipline is systems thinking. This involves seeing each part of the organization, each problem, each challenge, not as a load of individual components, but as a system of interacting parts. And it's the complexity that arises from the entire system of interactions, which contains the answers we need. We just have to break it down to more digestible pieces to really understand and find the solutions within. Within systems thinking, processes are not simple linear chains of cause and effect, but rather processes interacting with one another to create a series of complex feedback loops. If you have any sort of process at your organization, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Because when we recognize all of the complexities and acknowledge how difficult it is to understand, we start to take steps to break it down and understand those interactions so we can make far better progress and act more effectively. Feedback loops are critical to this discipline. In summary, a learning organization is one that doesn't just embrace learning. It embraces the full complexity of its situation, and as a result, it's better able to analyze what's going on, to harness teamwork, and to get better results and improve performance. It's something you can easily implement with some brainstorming and some team learning.